Hello students, good evening to all of you. I am here with a new topic, that is the Segwig's concept of coordinate bond. Segwig's concept of coordinate bond. This topic has been taken from coordination compound chapter. So let's see what is the Segwig's concept. Let's see. According to the Segwig's concept, the ligand donate the electron pair to the metal cation or atom, resulting in the formation of coordinate bond between the metal and the ligand, which is represented as ML, which is represented by ML. Let's see how. Which is represented by M arrow L की तरफ है. It arrow has been shown from the ligand towards the metal. It means that arrowhead is pointing towards the metal. It means that ligand is donating the electron pair to the metal, and such kind of bond will be known as the coordinate bond, and it is formed between the metal and the ligand. For example, the complex compound can be represented as the complex compound CONH3 whole 6 3 positive can be represented as let's see. Here is the cobalt CO and NH3 6 NH3 will be like this. Here, like this, arrows will be there. What is the meaning of these arrows? It means that nitrogen atom here 3 positive. This is the representation of CONH3 whole 6 3 positive molecule according to the Segwig's concept. Here, the arrows are pointing from the NH3, from the ammonia towards the cobalt. It means that nitrogen atom of ammonia is donating its electron pair to the cobalt metal, So this is the representation of CONH3 whole 6 3 positive molecule coordination compound according to the Segwig's concept. Now we will study the next topic, that is the limitations of Segwig concept. So let's see. The donation of one electron pair by each ligand, to the central metal cation or atom to form Ml coordinate bond. ये coordinate bond बनेगा. Causes accumulation of negative charge on the central metal cation or atom. What happened actually? Let's see. क्या होता है? According to Segwig concept के according क्या होता है? ईच लिगेंड जो होगा वो क्या करेगा, सेंट्रल एटम को क्या करेगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर क्या करेगा, डोनेट करेगा. ड्यू टू द डोनेशन ऑफ दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन टू द सेंट्रल एटम देयर विल बी एक्युमुलेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन द सेंट्रल मेटल कैटायन और एटम. सेंट्रल मेटल कैटायन के ऊपर क्या होगा, एक नेगेटिव चार्ज क्या होगा, एक्युमुलेट हो जाएगा. एंड ड्यू टू द एक्युमुलेशन ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन द सेंट्रल मेटल कैटायन और एटम, द partial ionic character is developed in the complex and which makes it less stable. जो coordinate complex होगा उसमें क्या होगा, एक partial negative charge क्या होगा, एक partial ionic character क्या होता है, डेवलप हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, coordination compound क्या होगा, unstable हो जाता है. So ये आपकी limitation थी Segwig concept की. Hope you got the concept. Thank you. Have a good day.